When it comes to relationships, age can be just a number. But as anyone in an age gap relationship knows, it can also be a source of many challenges. Whether you're dating someone older or younger, navigating the differences in life experience, maturity, and communication styles can be tricky. One of the biggest differences in age gap relationships is the difference in life experiences. If you're dating someone older, they may have more experience in relationships and life in general. That's just how it is. This, however, can be both a blessing and a curse. On one hand, they may have wisdom and insight to offer. On the other hand, though, they may not understand your perspective or be able to relate to your experiences. Similarly, if you're dating someone younger, they may not have the same level of maturity or life experiences that you have, which can lead to misunderstandings and disagreements. Another challenge is communication. As people age, their communication styles may change. For example, someone who is older may be more reserved and less inclined to share their feelings. We're not saying everyone, we're saying some. While someone who's younger may be more open and expressive. No filter, as it would be. And of course, these opinions can both flip and flop in different directions. Old, young, old. But here's the point. These things aforementioned can make it difficult to understand each other and can lead to conflict. But despite these challenges, age gap relationships can be very fulfilling. The key is to be open and honest and communicative with your partner. One of the best ways to do this is to set aside some time, regular time, to talk and listen to each other. This can help you to understand your partner and for your partner to understand your perspective while you both build trust and understanding together. It's also to remember that age is just a number. Your partner's age does not define them, and your age does not define you. And your age differences do not define your relationship. The most important thing is that you have love and respect for each other. So in conclusion, yes, age gap relationships can be challenging, but with open communication and mutual respect, they can also be incredibly fulfilling. Just remember to focus on what really matters, your love and your connection with your partner. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward to the next. Have a great day.